It was a dream. Back in 2004, I never imagined at that point when I started, it would become that big event which it is now.
Deltebre Dansa.
Deltebre Dansa.
Deltebre Dansa.
There are many festivals that I go to around the world. It's very rare where you have a festival that really embraces movement, not just dance, but movement from circus, movement from actors, movement from jiu-jitsu.
The European Festivals Association honored Deltebre Dansa as one of the most trend-setting European festivals.
The Premi Cultura award goes to Deltebre Dansa.
To break that issue that contemporary dance, it's strange and it's only for professionals. We were making initiation workshops for contemporary dance, even circus, to make like workshops to get to know how to start appreciating what those people are doing. And slowly, we saw like through those years, the level it has been growing a lot.
In this way, I like Deltebre that it's very accessible for the village people. There is a connection with the world, which Roberto created, because 17 years ago, no one in the village had seen that.
And to be in this environment, there's multiple people from around the world. The teachers, the tutors, the idols are on the same level. We eat together, we go to shows together, we queue the same queue, and it just humanizes everyone and brings everyone on the same level.
I remember when I started at the beginning, 2004, 2005. The important things that happened besides the workshops is that we were having parties, we were having a lot of celebration after, a community, being together.
I think we're kind of all here on our way to connect and to understand that we are here for each other and we are all one in love and we are all one in pain as well.
I wanted to dance, coming from a place where dance was not a social common thing to do. And they told me several times, you are crazy, this is not possible, this is very difficult. But I always kept in my mind, but why not? Why not? What is the problem? And it stayed that question in me. And this happens also in the organization of the festival. I did not study management or how to make an event, but I applied plenty of common sense and lots of passion and lots of trust and lots of questions of why not. And slowly I could see like this state of being, it got shared. So even those that could help making it, they helped at the right moment, in the right way, and then the things happen. In that sense, I'm extremely happy seeing all this evolution and seeing that the reality became stronger than the dream I had at that point.